one and all. Today, the management, principal, and students of APS Mamoon stand tall to celebrate 39th Raising Day of apex body Army Welfare Education Society, which has made tremendous impacts in the field of education by blessing the society with a chain of 137 Army public schools, 12 professional colleges, Faculty Development and Research Center, 248 Army pre-primary schools, and 37 ASHA schools. Let's reiterate the initiatives of AWES on this significant day: inclusive education, technology upgradation, English communication, and coaxing maximum students to join defense services. APS Mamoon too renders a prompt and prudent share in meeting the objectives of AWES. APS Mamoon has approximately the strength of 3,000 students and 100 teachers and 50 ADM staff members situated in Mamoon Military Station. COVID-19 lockdown has fast-tracked the process of implementation of technology-driven education along with enhancing technological footprint across the rank and file. Now, to visualize the gigantic and glorious higher educational institutes under the aegis of AWES, let's go through the PPT prepared by Team Career Launchers at APS Mamoon. List of institutes run under the aegis of AWES are Army Institute of Technology, Pune, Army Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Bengaluru, Army Institute of Management, Kolkata, Army Institute of Law, Mohali, Army College of Dental Sciences, Secunderabad, Army Institute of Education, Greater Noida, Army Institute of Management and Technology, Greater Noida, Army Institute of Fashion and Design, Bengaluru, Army College of Nursing, Jalandhar, Kent, Army Institute of Nursing, Guwahati, Army College of Medical Sciences, Delhi, Kent, Army Law College, Pune Institute of Technology. So let's have an elaborated view of all these institutes. Could I request Nidhi ma'am to take over for Army Institute of Technology, Pune?
Thank you, Sarika ma'am.
Army Institute of Technology (AIT) is an engineering college located in Pune, Maharashtra. It is affiliated to Savitribai Phule University of Pune. Only wards of Army personnel are allowed admission into it. BE Bachelor's Degree of Engineering admission of AIT are offered in 4 different specializations, that is BE in Computer Science and Engineering, and maximum intake of seats per year is 120, BE in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering and maximum number of seats available per year is 120, BE Information Technology and intake of seats per year is 60, Bachelor's degree in Mechanical Engineering and number of seats available are 60. All are 4-year degree program which requires application for both JEE Mains and AIT to be considered for admission, which requires application for both JEE Mains and AIT to be considered for admission. Let's move to educational qualification for all courses are a candidate passed or appeared with compulsory subjects as physics and maths along with one of chemistry or biology or biotechnology or technical vocational subject which should obtain at least 50% marks in the combination of subject. A candidate should appear for either first or second JEE Mains conducted by NTA National Testing Agency, else both. In case of candidate who attempts both the JEE Mains, the best of 2 scores will be considered by NTA for preparation of final merit list and all India rank in AIT. Moving further, let's discuss JEE Main criteria. There will be total 3 sections in question paper and maximum marks will be 300. Section A Physics, Section B Chemistry and Section C Math. In all sections, there will be 30 questions. Out of those, we have to attempt 20 MCQs and 5 numerical. In numerical part, there will be 10 questions and out of which 5 are compulsory to be done. Let's discuss marking scheme. There will be negative marking for MCQs for each wrong answers. For MCQs, there will be 4 marks for correct answers and 1 marks will be deducted for each incorrect answer. For numerical part, there will be no negative marking. Each correct answer will score 4 marks. JEE main test conducted in the month of February, March or April. About the placements of AIT, several big companies visit campus during the placement period like TCS, Tech Mahindra, etc. And also various core companies visit the college. The placement percentage is very high. The college placement cell, which helps students to be ready for placements. The college also has an entrepreneur cell which helps students with the startups. That's all for the AIT, Army Institute of Technology. Next one is Army Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, AIHMCT, Bengaluru, is one of the most leading hotel management institution in imparting hospitality education with vision of quality. The only course offered by AIHMCT is BHM, that is Bachelor's Degree of Hotel Management, and it is 4-year course and number of seats available are 60. Only wards of army personnel are allowed admission into it. AIHMCT WAT written admission test is conducted by Army Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology to provide admission to candidates of Bachelor Degree Hotel Management program offered by it. AIHMCT WAT eligibility criteria. Candidate must have passed 10+2 or equivalent examination from any academic stream with English as compulsory subjects to meet the eligibility criteria of AIHMCT WAT exam. Now let's discuss WAT written admission test criteria. The question papers divided into 5 sections and maximum marks will be 100. Section A English language, Section B General knowledge, Section C Hospitality and tourism, Section D reasoning and logical deduction, Section E scientific aptitude and numerical ability. Each section contains 20 marks and there will be only MCQs in question paper and there will be no negative marking for any wrong answer. About the placement of AIHMCT, maximum percentage of students get placement during the course itself. Thank you. For the next institute, I would request Sarita ma'am to take over the PPT.
Thank you, ma'am. Moving further, we have Army Institute of Management AIM Kolkata. With the support of Army Welfare Educational Society, AIM Kolkata provides an opportunity for the wards of Army personnel and general candidates. This institute is affiliated to the Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University, West Bengal. AIM Kolkata offers admission into postgraduate diploma program of management in dual specialization mode for 6 specializations, which are following. First is marketing, second is human resources, that is HR, third is finance, fourth is management information system, that is MIS, fifth is business analytics, and sixth is operations. Duration of the course is 2 years. Intake per year is 120. Seats reserved for army personnel 96 and for civilians we have 24 seats. Now let's come to eligibility criteria. Minimum 50% marks in graduation are required. Candidates have to qualify common admission test, that is CAT. It is totally a computer based test. Exam pattern of CAT includes 3 sections: VARC, QA and DILR, which stands for verbal ability and reading comprehension. Second is quantitative aptitude and third is data interpretation and logical reasoning. All these 3 sections are having 34, 32 and 34 questions respectively. In total we have 100 questions carrying 300 marks. The questions will be subjective and objective type. There will be 3 marks for each correct answer and -1 for incorrect. No negative marking in subjective questions. I want to make it clear that there will be negative marking in MCQs or objective type questions only. We can take pride in claiming that 98% of students of AIM Kolkata get positively placed earning minimum package 5.1 lakh. This was all about AIM Kolkata. Next we have Army Institute of Law, that is AIL Mohali. It is affiliated to Punjabi University Patiala. It offers 2 courses. First one is BA LLB Integrated. Duration of the course is 5 years. Intake per year is 80 and seats reserved for Army personnel 60, for Punjab residents 16, and for other states we have only 4 seats. The next course is LLM Integrated. It is a PG course. Duration of the course is 1 year. Intake per year 15 students. Seats reserved for Army personnel 12. For Punjab residents we have only 2 seats, and for other states we have only 1 seat. Now let's come to eligibility criteria for BA LLB. The candidates must qualify law entrance test, that is LET, conducted by AIL Army Institute of Law in the month of June. The candidates must have passed 10+2 with minimum 45% marks. Here this is a must to mention that the candidates who have passed 10+2 in compartments will not be eligible for the entrance test. The candidates appearing in 10+2 exam in March and April are also eligible for appearing in the test but need to pass the exam scoring minimum 45% marks. So let us discuss exam pattern of AIL LET. It includes 4 sections: mental ability, general knowledge, law aptitude and general English. Each section will have 50 questions and carry 50 marks. There will be no negative marking. 1 mark for every correct answer will be given. So in total we have 200 MCQs carrying 200 marks. Masters in Law LLM is also available in the institute, which can be pursued by the wishful candidates by qualifying Common Law Admission Test, that is CLAT. This was all about AIM Kolkata and AIL Mohali. So over to Jyoti Bisotra ma'am for the explanation of next 2 institutions.
Thank you, Sarita ma'am. Now we are going to talk about Army College of Dental Sciences, ACDS, Sikandrabad. Established in year 2001, the institute is affiliated to KNR University of Health Sciences, Warangal, and recognized by DCI. The institute has been accredited by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council with A grade. It offers a 4-year degree of dental science, followed by 1-year compulsory internship with an annual intake of 40 students, of which 34 seats are for wards of serving and retired army personnel and 6 seats are for domiciles of Telangana. Post-graduation with 3 seats each in prosthodontics, conservative dentistry, endodontics, periodontics and 2 seats each in pedodontics and preventive dentistry. Orthodontics and oral maxillofacial surgery has also been introduced. The admission is based on merit of NEET conducted by NBE. The exam comprises of 3 sections: physics, chemistry and biology, consisting of 45 questions in each physics and chemistry section, and biology constitute of 90 questions, out of which 45 will be from botany and 45 will be from zoology. The marks allotted are 180, 180 and 360, making a total of 720 marks for 180 MCQs. Next institute we have is Army Institute of Education, Greater Noida. It was established in year 2003. The institute is affiliated to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, Delhi, and approved by NCTE. The institute has been accredited by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council with B grade and ISO 2008-9001 certified. It offers a 2 years regular B.Ed degree course for an annual intake of 100 students. A graduate in any discipline is eligible for admission. The institute provides excellent hostel facilities for all students, and the institute is co-located with AIMT and has world-class infrastructure. The mode of exam is CET or CWAT, which consists of 4 sections: English language, mental ability, general awareness, teaching aptitude, and the weightage is as shown in the slide. Please remember, there will be total questions 150 and each question will be carrying 1 marks. Now, AIE provides placement assistance to all its students. The dedicated placement cell regularly conducts grooming sessions of the students in areas like soft skills, interview-facing skills, behavioral skills, hereby making them industry fit. Thank you so much. Now, Harpreet ma'am will explain the other 2 institutes.
If your dreams don't let you sleep and you want to conquer the world of business, here Army Education Society provides you with the finest institute named as Army Institute of Management and Technology, AIMT, Greater Noida. This institute is established in year 2004 and affiliated to GGSIBU, Delhi. The degree offered in this institute is MBA, BBA. The duration of the course is 3 years and the annual intake is 60. Let's talk about the mode of examination and the pattern. The mode of examinations, if you want to participate or you want to get admission into this institute, you have to crack an examination named as Common Entrance Test. Let's talk about the pattern of the exam. This exam will have 5 sections that are English language, reasoning, maths, data analysis, Indian and global environment. Each section includes 40 questions in the form of MCQs, and that would be 40 marks for 1 mark for each question, and a total of 200 MCQs and 200 marks. The placement record of AIMT has been extremely successful. It has a 100% placement record and in the prestigious institutes and organizations. So if you want to make your career in the world of business, go ahead, get admission in this school, in this institute, crack the examination and make your career and bloom your career. Now, if your desire is to work in the world of fashion, here we are with an institute for you. It is named as Army Institute of Fashion Designing, Bangalore. AIFT gives you the undergraduate courses named as BSc Fashion Designing, and the duration of the course is 3 years. The annual intake per year is 60. Let's talk about how to get admission into this institute. Again, to get admission, you have to go through an examination. You have to crack the exam and named as Written Admission Test, WAT. It includes 2 sections. The first section deals with general knowledge and reasoning, and the second section, section B, deals with sketch, designing, drawing and essay writing. Section A has 70 MCQs in it, and section B will have 3 questions that will be dealing with sketching, designing, drawing and essay writing. Then let's talk about the placement record of this institute. AIFT has been excellent record. It has an excellent record of 100% placements. The highest CTC offered was 4 lakh per annum. We have an endless number of opportunities for you, whether it would be the world of fashion or the world of business. Here we have one more service provider with us, and that is the Institute of Nursing. Let's talk about the Institute of Nursing, which Miss Divyanshi would be telling you about. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thanks, ma'am. Before starting, I would like to share something on the nursing profession. Nursing is a profession which requires not only a head full of knowledge, but a heart full of love, an ear ready to listen, and a hand willing to help others. To inspire and nurture the nightingales of tomorrow, the Army Welfare Education Society took up the venture of establishing nursing colleges across the country with a vision to serve the female dependents of serving ex-servicemen, including Veer Naris of Indian Army. Hence, Army College of Nursing ACN Jalandhar was established in the year 2005 with an annual intake capacity of 60 girls. All seats are reserved for Army personnel. Affiliated with Baba Farid University of Health Sciences, this college offers a course of BSc Nursing for a duration of 4 years. Aspirants looking forward for admission in this college are required to undergo an online admission test. The exam is covered under 5 sections with a total of 120 MCQs. Section A will be of 50 marks with 25 questions each on botany and zoology. Section B will be having 25 questions on physics. Section C will be having 25 questions on chemistry. Section D and Section E will be having 10 questions each on English and general awareness respectively. Every correct answer will be awarded with 1 mark and 0.25 mark will be deducted for an incorrect answer. Now regarding placement of ACN Jalandhar. ACN Jalandhar offers good placement opportunities too, as large number of students have already been recruited by top reputed hospitals and healthcare chains in India like Apollo, Max, Fortis, Birla Hearts, Metro Hospitals and so on. So this was all about ACN Jalandhar. Moving further on the same lines, in order to fulfill aspirations and needs of female dependents of Army personnel in nursing profession, Army Institute of Nursing was established in year 2006 at Guwahati, Assam. AIN is affiliated to Shrimanta Shankardeva University of Health Sciences. It offers both undergraduate and postgraduate courses in nursing with a duration of 4 years and 2 years respectively. BSc Nursing has an intake of 50 girls per year with 45 seats reserved for female dependents of Army personnel and 5 seats reserved for civilian students from North-East state. MSc Nursing has an intake of 20 girls with 18 seats reserved for Army personnel and 2 seats for North-East residents. The admission to BSc Nursing is through online admission test conducted by AWAS every year. The pattern of the exam is same as discussed earlier with 5 sections carrying total 120 MCQs of 120 marks, and here I would like to tell you once again, negative marking of 0.25 will be also there. Now regarding placement, AIN maintains its own placement cell and job placement to its students' efficiency along with the package of 3 lakh and above per annum. In addition to this, many students have already been recruited by most of the top hospitals and healthcare chains of India too. So this was all about AIN Guwahati. Thank you. Now I would like to call Sarika ma'am once again to take over the PPT.
And now we have Army College of Medical Sciences in Delhi available for you all and running Bachelors in Medicine and Bachelors in Surgery for the duration of 4.5 years, and it has intake per year of 100 students, out of which 78 candidates should be from Army background, 4 should be from defense background and 18 should be from SC/ST background. And this intake is on the basis of National Eligibility cum Entrance Test conducted by NTA. We have to undergo Physics, Chemistry and Biology exam carrying 180 marks for Physics, 180 marks for Chemistry and 360 marks for Biology. In Physics, we are asked 45 questions. 45 questions are asked from Chemistry and Biology has 90 questions. So your main stress has to be upon Biology, in fact upon all the 3 subjects. So children, next we have Army Law College, which is situated in Pune, and the degree offered is affiliated from Savitribai Phule Pune University, and intake per year is 60 students, and they have BA, LLB, BBA, LLB. For BBA, you need to be a commerce student, and 5 years integrated degree they offer you. And out of 60 seats, 100% seats are meant for only army wards. So in the beginning only I told you that you people are born with a silver spoon in mouths. So the website is, in case you want to go through the elaborated vision of this, you need to go through the website www.alcpune.com, and we have to undertake legal aptitude and reasoning exam, general knowledge with current affairs, logical analytical reasoning, English and maths. Legal aptitude and reasoning carries 40 questions and 40 marks. Then we have general knowledge with current affairs, which has 30 questions and 30 marks. Then logical and analytical reasoning carrying 40 questions and 40 marks. And for English and maths, English we have 30 questions, 30 marks, and 10 questions, 10 marks. So in all 150 marks. So children, prepare for all, and no negative marking would be there. This was one thing which was very important, and 1 mark for each correct answer would be awarded to you. So children, I have told you about, we all have told you about all the 12 avenues available after passing out +2, and even 2 postgraduate degrees are offered by 2 colleges, sole postgraduate degrees. And now in the end, I am thankful to you all to be patient listeners, and I hope that this PPT is fruitful for you all to join new ventures, to join new avenues of life and soar the highest. Thank you.